and it's cute only in 30 seconds, and it's definitely is gonna be your bestie in your stations if you are doing a lot of chamfer foiling. I'm gonna apply all and tie the nail, and keys only is 30 seconds. Make sure you apply all and tie the nails if you are planning to do it. Then make sure that it gonna chamfer everything's for you. Keep for 30 seconds. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do that's one the same things here for 30 seconds. We're gonna do 2 chamfer foil out of 10 of them. And this is one of the box that I really like for is like it transitioning between 2 seasons. So hope everybody can see and can hear us okay. It's good. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I was seeing all of you tuning in. Thank you. I'm so excited. And just in case that I couldn't respond it really quick right away for everyone, just let you know that I see all your tuning in. So oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So I'm gonna put this one on the side just a second, and this is such a really adorable. I'm gonna place it right here so where I can get my, hold on, a little beautiful bird. I don't know what the name of it, but she's definitely super beautiful. Okay, so give it a really good rub, and if you don't have this tweezers, do not worry. This time I just get a lot of cuticle oils on my nails because I'm using a lot of lotions and moist on my hand, so this might be really slippery, so you can using your dual end tweezer and give a good rub. That's how cool it is. It just transfer completely. All right, beautiful. So I'm gonna do the next one. Is this one done? Should we do one at a time?
No, you can show both first of all.
All right, so I can show you both chamfer foil. I'm gonna using the other ones, and then this is all both in the same box. Okay, I'm gonna do it right in the angle right here. You can do it however you want. You can angle it or you can straight it up. You do however you feel your heart is going to be. Give it a good pressures, rub it.
It's schematic. So this is box number 50. Lumps and cloth.
I love this. This is one of my fave. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Here, this is the looks of that chamfer foil. Super easy, simple.